Gold and base metals exploration company Caprice Resources has confirmed a 1 kilometre gold anomaly at its Solace prospect in Western Australia. Caprice has been on a roadshow informing investors of the company's progress, and I'm joined now by Managing Director Andrew Muir. Welcome, Andrew.
Thank you very much.
So it would seem that you had positive news to share with investors around the country.
Very much so. The recent Solace discovery has been a fantastic event for us, potentially a game changer in a brand new area that has never been tested before, so we're very, very excited about what it could potentially mean. It's very big. We haven't encountered anything like this before. It's very different to the other styles of mineralisation that we've got, so we're very excited about how big this could potentially be given the size of the deposits in the region.
So what does all of this really mean for Caprice and the work moving forwards?
It gives us a really good focus for the next couple of months. We're really going to hone in on testing Solace at depth. We'll have an RC program coming up very soon, and that could potentially enlighten how big the mineralisation gets at depth.
And we're talking about gold here, aren't we?
Very much gold, yep. Gold, and we've got base metals at Northampton, yep.
So tell us a little bit about the roadshow and the response you've had from investors.
Yeah, look, it's been really good. I had a couple of days roadshow in Sydney and Melbourne, and also had the Gold Coast Investment Showcase where we had a lot of retail and high net worth investors. Reception's been fantastic for both of those, and we've seen quite a few new parties come onto the register following up from that. So I've been very, very pleased.
So what's next?
First cab off the rank will be RC drilling at Solace within the next 1 to 2 weeks. So that's going to be really, really exciting. We're going to drill that at depth, and that'll be the very first time that we've tested into the fresh rock. And then we'll look at doing some air core on some of the other islands within the Island Gold Project, and then look at doing some RC drilling at Northampton in the next couple of months, as well as progress some of our other projects over the due course.
And of course, we are heading into a new financial year. What's your plan looking a bit further down the track?
Lots of drilling, yeah, very much looking to expand all of the company's assets on a number of different fronts. RC drilling, air core drilling, more RC at Northampton. We'll also be doing a lot of work behind the scenes with geochemistry and some geophysics to look and prove up more of our targets that we've got.
When you've been visiting investors and speaking with potential investors too, what is your pitch? What's the reason that people should consider Caprice?
We're a fantastic risk reward. We've got some really good near-term catalysts coming up, but we've also got some medium and longer-term growth prospects, which is more Northampton, and they've been very receptive. They totally get where we're coming from. They like the mix of assets, and they like the mix of commodities, and also the different stages of projects that we've got. And relative to our evaluation, the upside is fantastic.
And of course, some investors may be thinking, wow, we're in such unsettled times right now. What would you say in relation to the macro environment? Obviously,
we can't do much about the macro environment. It is obviously a little bit negative at the moment, but in due course, all we can do is really control what we can control. So that's advancing the prospects, but doing smart, systematic, diligent exploration, and over time, the results will come. So that's all we can really do at the moment, but we're being pretty smart and careful with our dollars, but making sure we get our best bang for our buck.
Well, all the best with the next steps. Andrew Muir, thank you so much for joining us as part of your roadshow, Caprice Resources.
Thank you.